We're gonna try and change general theme colors. The way you do it is, like I told you, I was talking in the last video. Inside your SCSS, inside your custom, you can start changing default colors. For instance, here I've changed the default background color. Look at body BG. I've changed it to this color. That's why when you're looking at the background of this page, it's like this. But the original Udemy page, the background is a little closer to white. Not exactly white, but somewhere close. Or gray. So you save. Make sure you have your, if you save it will not work, make sure you have your Gulp watch working so that Gulp will compile this into a CSS file, into this CSS file. So to do that, open your command prompt. Make sure you're already in this folder. Your command prompt is pointing to this folder, so we can do Gulp. If you do Gulp, it will compile it once, but if you do Gulp watch, it means anytime you change it, you don't have to run Gulp again. It will compile it by itself. So if you wait a few seconds, this will compile and build a new CSS file for you. So while it's compiling, we can go to Bootstrap. If you want to understand more, go to Bootstrap. Bootstrap Getting Started theme. Just click on Getting Started, click on Theming, and then you can read through. Look at what I just pasted there, background BG. If you look at this file, you see that this is just what I just did. Background BG. You can put the color, and then everything will not work unless you imported the SCS Bootstrap, the Bootstrap inside your node modules, the Bootstrap inside here. That's what we just imported here. And then you can start changing a number of other options. Like all these things didn't come from my head, it is all here. You can change theme colors, primary, secondary, danger. These are two examples they gave, which means if we want to change the color of the button, anywhere we use danger, it will change. So if we change this color to, let's say, blue, if we now say somewhere around here, if we change this danger and we return to our platform, keep your eye on this button, and also this background. I've changed this background, and so this background is changed a little. And then look at the button. So generally anything that has danger will change. Look at all these buttons I've changed to this color. Look at everything. Look at these buttons. Everything that has red danger in the settings will change automatically. Look at all these buttons I've changed. So that is basically theming. This is where you change most of the items. So I just went back so that to remove the changes. Now if you want to know what to change, know which variables to change, you have to go to node modules, go to Bootstrap. Bootstrap, where is it? Bootstrap. Then you go to SCSS, variables underscore variables.scss. So everything you see here, basically you can change it. If you're looking at this file, you see that it comes with this default flag. This default flag is the opposite of important flag. If you add important in any CSS property, it means that that must be implemented. But if you have default means that if there is no other overriding value, this is what it will use. So if we wanted to change this, we can just copy this to our SCSS file and start changing it straight up. So we can copy this to our file. So basically anything you want to change, you come here, look at it, copy it directly, then bring it to this file and run your changes. Paste it here, remove all the defaults, and start changing. So basically that is it. This is where you run the changes and it will compile. Now somebody might be wondering, what if I host this website? Do I still need Gulp? No, you don't need Gulp if you host the website. You never ever need Gulp when you host the website. So the reason is simple. Gulp will compile you the CSS file. The CSS file is all you need to host the website. So you only need Gulp during development. Alright. So these are gray colors. This is white color. These are different shades of gray. So if you just go to this file inside Bootstrap and you copy any default value you want, come to this file, paste it, and start adjusting it. Alright. As you adjust it, your Gulp watch we'll recompile it, and then you will see it in effect right here. So thank you very much. I hope this whole bootstrapping stuff made sense to you. Don't forget to get the source code from my GitHub repository. So if you go to github.com/daveozalo, that's my name, and then when it opens up, you can check for Bootstrap 4 Udemy clone. So once you get it, if there's any code I wrote that you didn't get, well, you can always copy from there. So if you come to my repository, my GitHub, you click on repositories. I have 72. You click on Bootstrap 4 Udemy clone, and then you can click here and download it. Alright, or you can just click on any file and view it. So I hope this whole tutorial made sense and made a lot of taught you a lot of things about Bootstrap. Don't forget to ask any questions if you have questions in the comment section. See you guys.